Welcome back to another episode of Living Fire. If you never want to miss an upload, make sure to subscribe to the channel. What is financial planning? Financial planning is an ongoing process that will reduce your stress about money, support your current needs, and help you build a nest egg for your long-term goals like retirement. Financial planning is important because it allows you to make the most of your assets and helps ensure you meet your future goals. Financial planning isn't just for the wealthy. Creating a roadmap for your financial future is for everyone. You can make a financial plan yourself, or you can get help from a financial planning professional. Due to online services like robo-advisors, getting assistance with financial planning is more affordable and accessible than ever. Number one, start by setting financial goals. A good financial plan is guided by your financial goals. If you approach your financial planning from the standpoint of what your money can do for you, whether that's buying a house or helping you retire early, you'll make saving feel more intentional. Make your financial goals inspirational. What do you want your life to look like in 5 years? What about in 10 or 20 years? Do you want to own a car or a house? Are kids in the picture? How do you imagine your life in retirement? You start with goals because they will inspire you to complete the next steps and provide a guiding light as you work to make those aims a reality. Number two, track your money and redirect it towards your goals. Get a sense of your monthly cash flow, what's coming in and what's going out. An accurate picture is key to creating a financial plan and can reveal ways to direct more to savings or debt paydown. Seeing where your money goes can help you develop immediate, medium-term, and long-term plans. Developing a budget is a typical immediate plan. NerdWallet recommends the 50-30-20 budget principles. Put 50% of your take-home pay towards needs, housing, utilities, transportation, and other recurring payments, 30% towards wants, dining out, clothing, or entertainment, and 20% towards savings and debt repayment. Reducing credit card or other high-interest debt is a common medium-term plan, and planning for retirement is a typical long-term plan. Number three, get your employer match. If you visit a financial advisor, he or she will be sure to ask, do you have an employer-sponsored retirement plan like a 401k? And does your employer match any part of your contribution? True 401k contributions decrease your take-home pay now, but it's worth it to put in enough to get the full matching amount because that match is free money. Number four, make sure emergencies don't become disasters. The bedrock of any financial plan is putting cash away for emergency expenses. You can start small. $500 is enough to cover small emergencies and repairs so that an unexpected bill doesn't run up credit card debt. Your next goal could be $1,000, then 1 month's basic living expenses, and so on. Building credit is another way to shock-proof your budget. Good credit gives you options when you need them, like the ability to get a decent rate on a car loan. It can also boost your budget by getting you cheaper rates on insurance and letting you skip utility deposits. Number five, tackle high-interest debt. A crucial step in any financial plan, pay down toxic high-interest debt, such as credit card balances, payday loans, title loans, and rent-to-own payments. Interest rates on some of these may be so high that you end up repaying 2 or 3 times what you borrowed. If you're struggling with revolving debt, a debt consolidation loan or debt management plan may help you wrap several expenses into one monthly bill at a lower interest rate. Number six, invest to build your savings. Investing sounds like something for rich people or for when you're established in your career and family life. It's not. Investing can be as simple as putting money in a 401k and as frictionless as opening a brokerage account. Many have no minimum to get started. Number seven, build a moat to protect and grow your financial well-being. With each of these steps, you're building a moat to protect yourself and your family from financial setbacks. As your career progresses, continue to improve your financial moat by increasing contributions to your retirement accounts, padding your emergency fund until you have 3 to 6 months of essential living expenses, using insurance to protect your financial stability so a car crash or illness doesn't derail you. Life insurance protects loved ones who depend on your income. Term life insurance covering 10-year to 30-year periods is a good fit for most people's needs. Number one, see your advisor at least once a year. When you meet your financial planner, you're likely to be introduced to the 6 steps of financial planning. Embrace them. Establish the relationship. Don't be threatened by contracts of engagement, confidentiality, and defined expectations. It's all good stuff that's in your best interests, and it's professional. Provide information. Now it's time to be honest about your finances and get over your concerns about privacy. Remember, you both signed the confidentiality contract, so the more you tell, the better the advice. Allow objective analysis. Sound financial advice should always be objective. Let go of your emotions, pet hates, and preconceived ideas, and listen to what your advisor has to say. Embrace the plan. Remember the old adage that failing to plan is planning to fail. The first plan may not be perfect, but it's the start of the process. Implement. No one likes filling in forms, but that's what it takes to make sure your money is well protected. It's also how the government fights against criminal money laundering and tax evasion. So once you do it the first time, there's less to update in the future. Commit to reviews. This is where the important practice of consistency comes in. Every year, you need to check your progress towards your goals and see what needs adjusting, in line with any changes in your circumstances over the year. More on this later. Number 2, budget consistently over time. Now that you have your plan, it's up to you to implement and stick to your budget. A budget is a guide to consistent spending behavior over time that's based on a rational allocation of your income towards essential expenses, expenses which create meaning, and contributions to ensure your future safety. Don't be put off by the word budget. There's a reason why the wealthiest love it and are the best at it. Staying with your planned spending limit every day in and day out, will give you a much better chance of reaching your financial goals over time. Number 3, use debit orders for ongoing contributions. The ability to contribute towards investments using debit orders has revolutionized the path to consistent investing. Debit orders make contributions incredibly easy and can be used to enforce your budget, and therefore ensure that you make contributions to your essential investment and retirement accounts every single month. Consistently contributing to your investments is also known as Rand cost averaging. The amount of money invested every month remains the same, but the number of units purchased in your unit trusts varies based on the market value of the underlying securities, shares, bonds, etc. It's a great way to invest because you get an average cost per share over time without having to invest time and effort in monitoring market movements. Number 4, keep yourself motivated. If you're ever tempted to let your discipline habits slip, remind yourself of the pot of gold at the end of the rainbow. There is nothing more powerful than visualization, surrounding yourself with positive people and information, and allowing for, even expecting, a few setbacks along the way. Number 5, take the time to reflect. It's no coincidence that financial advisors are legally obliged to review their clients' portfolios at least annually. All successful plans evolve based on the latest facts and information. Good things come to those who wait. You'll never get picked for the football team after only a few weeks or months of disciplined training, and the same is true in investing. But if you come up with a good financial plan and stick to it consistently over time, adapting it when necessary, there's nothing you're not capable of. And with that, we've reached the end of this episode, all about what the most important thing is for the success of your investments or financial plan. Do you have a financial plan? Then get involved and let us know in the comments section down below. If you enjoyed this one and found it helpful, remember to leave a like on the video and to subscribe to Living Fire for even more amazing videos just like this one. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.